Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome to our another video. So Wilmar here of Clear Choice Auto. So today we have something different in the studio. So as you see right here, we have a 2022 Excavator. So I'm just gonna say, I'm not gonna say what brand is that. This is Excavator. So this guy came here to the shop for some treatment. Alright, so what we're gonna do on this one, we'll be tinting all the windows. As you can see, this glass right here is still clear. So we'll be tinting these windows in 20% ceramic. Alright, so if you are new to this channel, welcome to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber or a returning viewers, welcome to our another video. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into it. So yeah, so right now, as you have seen, I already patterned the film. We normally do computer cut on all the windows on all cars, so this one is different. So there's no pattern on the computer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pattern the windows one by one and then do the installation. Alright, so we already tinted it. Look at that, look at the glass. So it's now dark. It's not too dark, it's just perfect shade for this excavator. So thank you for everyone for watching, and hope you do enjoy our video for today, and I hope to see you again on our next video. Bye bye for now, and may the Lord Almighty bless you and keep you. Bye bye. Peace out.